How to recover a deactivated Yahoo account due to inactivity. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure it's under 30 days that you're deactivating your Yahoo account, as after 30 days you won't be able to reactivate. You can simply search yahoo.com in Google and click on sign in. Here, you add your username, email, or mobile number, press on next, add your password, and you will be logged into your account. And if it's past 30 days, you won't be able to. Also, it may vary according to your country as well. If you are from a certain country, simply search Yahoo's reactivated number, and according to your country you will find different days as well. This is how to recover or deactivate a Yahoo account due to inactivity. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.